So to provide a little context, I had about a week off school between my spring and summer semester, so they gave me way too much free time, and the end result is this dog feeder right here. I kind of wanted to build something that would automatically keep her water at a constant level, as well as feed her on a schedule, as well as manually if needed. So very quickly, I'm going to kind of go through how it all works. I think it's kind of interesting, and maybe someone else will find it interesting as well as just kind of to document the entire thing. So yeah. Alright, so right here we have the main control panel, which allows the user to, change different things about the feeder. This switch right here on the left is in the auto section, which basically turns on the automatic feeding system. So it will feed her on a set schedule. You can change the schedule down here. You've got schedule A and schedule B. And then there's indicator LEDs to show you which one is currently on. And then the automatic water will basically keep her water level at a certain height throughout the day. You can hear that filling up right now. I'll go through that later, how that works. And at the very bottom of the auto section, there's a dog pedal switch, which will turn on and off the ability for her to press the kind of pedal for her to get more food. And then over here on the right, you've got the manual section, which allows you to select what size meal you want to feed her, 1 through 3, and then you can serve it to her pressing the feed button. Alright, so in order to do a little demonstration of how the control panel works, I'm going to select a meal size 1, and if you press the manual feed button, it will serve her the food. And then if the turn the dog pedal on, so that means when she presses this pedal right here, it will serve her a little bit more food. And then finally, we turn on the automatic water feature. It will start filling her bowl until it is at the desired height. Alright, so for how the automatic water system filler works, in the front here we've got the bowl, and then in the back there is a PVC tube which is connected via a hose to the bowl. And since the ambient pressure in the bowl and the tube is the same, the water level in both is going to be the same. So what that allows us to do is put a ultrasonic sensor on top of the PVC tube, and it'll ping down and measure the water height inside that tube, which allows us to measure the water height in the bowl without actually touching the bowl, if that makes sense. So essentially all it's doing is checking the water height. If it's too low, adding more water, and if it's within a certain range, it just lets it go. So I guess a good question to answer is why? This bad boy is by no means necessary. And I think the best explanation for that is just, to have fun, and I learned some stuff along the way, and yeah, so fun project. Do you like it, Charlie? Alright, so I hope my explanation of some of the stuff in this made sense. It's kind of just a quick project, you know, it took a couple days during some off time. So, yeah, hopefully it made sense. Hopefully people found it interesting. Yeah, thanks for watching. Say bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.